Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to go over what's new from an Active Directory sites integration perspective in version 10.1 of Micetro. So let's jump right into the web UI. If we click on the new IPAM tab, we see that there's also a new AD Sites tab that we can click on. From there, if we go straight to action, we can actually do the settings for our entire AD sites and services. Here we can synchronize the description field and the location fields in Active Directory to custom properties that we might have in Micetro. And then these will be synchronized either way, whether their changes are made in AD or whether changes are made in Micetro. The other option is to enforce AD site inheritance, which forces child subnets to be in the same subnet as the parent subnet. And we'll cancel that for now. Let's talk about forests a little bit. So here we can click on a forest and see some information over in properties over here, whether it's read only or not, which is certainly something we would like to know quickly. We can add forests as well. So here you can either manually enter a global catalog server. Obviously, you need to enter the user and password credentials, or we can also use the same global catalog server as the Men&Mice central server. So that will obviously gray out those fields. We can also set as read only, which is really important. I can see this being especially useful in the case of an acquisition, when we want to just be able to view other forests, but not make changes to them yet. So those are all great options to have. So we can click the arrow here and populate all of the different sites that are available for this particular forest. And I'll go ahead and go to Baltimore. And we can do some quick actions here. Of course, you can see on the right there, you do already get some information, but I'm going to click View Networks. And that then takes us back into the networks tab, but we're only seeing the subnets or the networks for Baltimore, as you can see up here in the filter area. Now, there's a lot more you can do within the AD sites tab, but I do want to cover DNS briefly as well. We do have AD integration if we click on AD integrated under the DNS tab. Now here you can see we have a few DNS zones. There are different things that we can do within each zone. Edit preferred servers, for example. I only have one, but what I really like about this is that I can actually select multiple zones at the same time and then go in and select my preferred servers. I can drag and drop them in any order that I would want, and then that will be consistent throughout all of the DNS zones that I select. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll be back with more features.